Hi YouTube, and welcome to the next video in my series. We're starting off with some pen reviews. This is the first one of, and please forgive my janky setup here. It's yeah, needed to get some. I've been holding on to this for too long and needed to get the content out, and it's just yeah, it's a rubbish studio, but it'll do for now. Also, I am full of this cold that everyone seems to have, so again, forgive if I'm not exactly coming over too clear. But anyway, got a pen off eBay that I'm kind of excited about, because if what they say is true, then it's pretty awesome for what it is, especially for the money. And this is a Hero 100. A pen designed, manufactured and sold in China. It has a 14 karat solid gold nib and costs under $20. Yeah, I know, I couldn't resist that description, so I got it, had a look, and it didn't come in a box. This is the packaging it came in. So let's get started and see where it is. This is the main packaging. I cannot read Chinese anymore, so I have no idea what this is saying. But here's the pen. I do not know if my rubbish camera is going to pick this up, but that says made in China, with what I believe is a plum flower engraved on top, possibly. And then Hero 100 as well. It's saying it's a fine nib. As far as I know, they only come in one size, but I could be wrong. Stainless steel cap with stainless steel cap jewel. Sorry, yep, stainless steel cap jewel, and the stainless steel end jewel as well. Plastic body. Not a click fit cap; it's a pressure fit cap. As you can hear. That does mean that with the weight of the cap and how it is basically just sort of press fitted on, it is fairly sturdy, but can potentially come off. Right, and there's the next big reveal. It's a hooded nib. Although this pen is pretty much the spitting image of a Parker 51, I am reliably informed by the interweb that this was apparently, it's not a copy of the 51, but it's self-innovated in China. One of those things where a separate culture came to the same conclusion that other cultures had. Even though the hood is very close, the nib shape and feel are different. There we go, the filling mechanism, which I find really intriguing. This pen was first made in 1958, I think. It's 140 centimeters. Someone got the scale wrong. 140 millimeters long. The nib width, the section width is about 11 mil. And if we unthread this, it's an aromatic filler. Which apparently is quite difficult to use. So I'll have to see. It doesn't really like to come out apparently without a special gadget. So I'm reliably informed, again by the interweb. And yeah, the threads in here, and that is never going to pick it up, is it? Plastic threads with metal connecting joint. Feels it's a bit stiff and catchy. Sort of vibrates a little bit as it goes around. But yeah, and there's the pièce de résistance, as they say. Solid 14 karat gold nib. Can't tell what the engraving on the nib is, because I need to get this off to find out, and I basically don't want to break the pen, so I'm not going to take that off. I've got no real need to. Here again says Hero 100 here in Chinese and Hero in Western script there. Yeah, so that's that. Time for a writing sample, I think. Right, the ink of choice for today is, I'm gonna go with, because I feel like it needs a nice green. I don't know why it needs a dark green. Okay. So I'm going with Diamond's Beethoven, one of the ones we stock. Also comes in the nice beautiful gift set, gift box, and then it's a glass bottle rather than this one being a plastic refill. Yeah, try and minimise the amount of ink I do get on me. Okay. We are indeed getting squelchy sounds. There's definitely something in that bit. Okay, this could be interesting. Aha, we have life. Excellent. Right. Before we start, let's get a weight check. Filled and posted, or as filled as I can get it and posted, that is saying exactly 20 grams. Unposted and filled, it's 12.9. So 6.9. Interesting. Right. Basic strokes. Oh, it doesn't like going up much. Oh, that is scratchy. Not so much that way. Where's that way? Can get it to put some ink down if you press really quite hard. With the nib, with this section being so far up here anyway, it's going to be it's not going to want to. Ooh, this pad isn't going to do very well. Yeah, it's just not going to be very flexible as it's held in place. There's a little bit of example of the line variance. As I say, you can get it to spread. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but you can. See if the ink can keep up. Not so bad. A little bit thin here. Not so bad either. Yeah, because this is cheaper paper. Ooh. That's different. Just had a little bit of a cough there. And I'm not even on an aeroplane, look at that. Oh well, green nail varnish for me for the next couple of days. It's a bit leaky. I'm not really tapping it all that hard and the ink is flying out. Oh, that spotted. Well, I suppose you get what you pay for, don't you? Very absorbent paper, but let's see the wetness test. Yeah. Excuse me. Shameless plug. Yeah. May take a little wearing in. It doesn't write too badly. Yeah. So yeah. There you go. Oh, that ain't gonna work. The Hero 100. Absolutely worth every penny I paid for it, which was about £8. Brilliant. Oh, also another section of that thing I forgot. That is quite a cool bit. Pardon me, it is spring loaded, which is really quite cool. So I mean, there's some crazy engineering that's gone into this. You got your spring loaded mechanism in there. They've obviously gone with, you know, an older filling mechanism, which I believe with an awful lot of effort you can turn into a piston filler. But then not just buy a piston fill, I suppose. And yeah, oh, I didn't even squeeze it then. Man, this leaks really, really easily. So I definitely want to store upright, I'd say. So yeah, not quite what I was hoping for, but then again, what do you expect for less than $20? Right, there you go, short and sweet. I'll thanks for your time. There's you know, if you've got your own personal experiences, then please leave them down there. Maybe I've got a particularly good one or a duff one, I don't know. It's the only one that I've ever had from this company. Yeah, brilliant. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would really, really help the channel out if you do. And yeah, that'd be great. Okay, thanks very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.